From Saeed with Arlington County, Virginia, I've been working with the Blue Whale EV team for the past 2 years for the installation of fleet and public EV chargers. Their commitment to the project schedule and quality has been consistently excellent. We're very satisfied with the service they've provided. Saeed and the entire Arlington County team, thank you. Hearing positive feedback like this matters because public and fleet sites require a unique approach. So what did we do for Saeed at the courthouse? Since rates were already pre-competed under Arlington County's existing contract, the county was able to piggyback on those terms to move the project forward without a new RFP for procurement. We installed 3 pedestal-mounted Blink Series 8 dual-port Level 2 chargers for a total of 6 parking spots. We coordinated the run from the building's electric room to the chargers' locations, including boring under the street, pouring new concrete pads, setting bollards, and pulling new feeders to a dedicated 200-amp panel. Then, we handled the actual installation, the commissioning, and the activation so that the stations would be ready, both for the drivers and the accounting team in Arlington. Permitting came from the county, and we kept the project moving alongside their process in lockstep. If you want EV chargers at your public site, give us a call. Government permitting and procurement can be tough. To learn how our bridgeable contract lets agencies in all 50 states install EV chargers in a fast, compliant, and competitively priced way without having to go through a bid, reach out to us online at bluewhaleev.com or by giving us a call at 855-293-8378.